Welcome to Sparkle Home, where architecture meets inspiration. As modern lifestyles continue to evolve, more people are choosing smaller homes that offer comfort, efficiency, and timeless beauty. From minimalist modern designs to charming cottages and contemporary farmhouses, small homes are proving that elegance doesn't require excess space. In this video, we'll uncover what defines a small house, why these homes are becoming a global trend, the best exterior design strategies, popular color combinations, practical advantages and disadvantages, and the key elements that make a compact home look luxurious. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of small house design. What is a small house? A small house typically ranges from 500 to 1,500 square feet, although the exact size varies by country and region. The goal of a small house isn't simply to reduce space. It's about creating a home that feels comfortable, efficient, and easy to maintain. Modern small homes focus on smart layouts, natural lighting, functional outdoor spaces, low maintenance designs, better use of every square foot. Many of today's most beautiful homes are actually smaller than traditional houses, proving that good design matters more than size. Why small houses are becoming so popular. There are several reasons why people are choosing smaller homes. First is affordability. Smaller homes require less land, fewer building materials, and lower construction costs. Second is lower maintenance. Cleaning, repairs, painting, and landscaping become much easier when the property is compact. Third is energy efficiency. A smaller house usually requires less electricity for cooling, heating, and lighting. Fourth is lifestyle flexibility. Many homeowners today prefer spending money on travel, experiences, and investments rather than maintaining a large house. Finally, small homes often encourage smarter living and reduce unnecessary clutter. What makes a small house look expensive? One of the biggest misconceptions is that luxury comes from size. In reality, luxury often comes from design. A small home can look expensive when it includes large windows, modern exterior lighting, quality materials, balanced proportions, clean architectural lines, beautiful landscaping. Notice how many modern homes use simple shapes rather than complicated designs. Clean geometry creates a sophisticated appearance and never goes out of style. A well-designed entrance can also dramatically improve curb appeal. The front door is often the first thing people notice. A beautiful entry creates a strong first impression regardless of house size. Best color combinations for small houses. Color plays a huge role in how large a house appears. Light colors reflect more sunlight and create a sense of openness. Some of the best combinations include white and black, perfect for modern minimalist homes. White and natural wood creates a warm, Scandinavian-inspired appearance. Gray and white offers a clean contemporary look. Green and white blends beautifully with gardens and natural landscapes. Beige and stone, ideal for Mediterranean or classic designs. Navy blue and white adds elegance without feeling overwhelming. For most small homes, using 2 or 3 colors is usually enough. Too many colors can make the exterior appear busy and visually smaller. Exterior features. Every small house should have. There are several features that can instantly improve a small home's appearance. Large windows. Natural light makes interior spaces feel larger and more welcoming. Covered porch. Even a small porch creates character and improves functionality. Landscaping. Plants, flowers, shrubs, and pathway lighting dramatically enhance curb appeal. Outdoor seating areas. A small deck, balcony, or patio extends living space beyond the house itself. Simple roof design. Clean roof lines often look more modern and are usually less expensive to build. Good exterior lighting. Lighting can completely transform a home's appearance during the evening hours. Pros of building a small house. Let's look at some major advantages. Lower construction cost. Less material usually means a lower overall budget. Lower utility bills. Smaller homes are typically more energy efficient. Less maintenance. Cleaning and upkeep require less time and money. Faster construction. Many small homes can be completed significantly faster than larger properties. More sustainable. Smaller homes generally have a smaller environmental footprint. Easier to upgrade. Homeowners can often invest in better materials because they need less of them. Cons of building a small house. Of course, small homes aren't perfect. Limited storage. You'll need to be more organized with belongings. Less privacy. Smaller floor plans can mean fewer separate spaces. Future expansion challenges. Growing families may eventually require more room. Furniture limitations. Oversized furniture may overwhelm smaller rooms. Resale preferences. Some buyers still prefer larger homes depending on the market. The key is designing carefully from the beginning so the house supports your long-term needs. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Many homeowners accidentally make their small house look smaller. Avoid these common mistakes. Using too many exterior colors, installing very small windows, overcomplicating the facade, ignoring landscaping, building oversized decorative features, using poor outdoor lighting, choosing materials that don't complement each other. Remember, simplicity often creates the most attractive result. Final words. A small house doesn't have to feel limited. With smart design, the right color palette, quality materials, and thoughtful landscaping, a compact home can look every bit as beautiful as a luxury residence. The future of housing isn't necessarily bigger, it's smarter. And as these stunning small house designs prove, great architecture is not measured by square footage, but by how effectively space, beauty, and functionality come together. If you enjoyed this video, let us know which exterior style you would choose for your dream small home, and don't forget to subscribe for more architecture and home design inspiration.